What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Green HD TV. Welcome back. Checking out some of the classic motorcycles we have in the back. What we're going to do today, besides check out these beautiful motorcycles, is we're going to do a little comparison video. And I have a couple bikes up front, one of which is a brand new Street Glide ST. The second one is a brand new Street Glide Special with a 131 kit. So if you're thinking about getting into a performance bike, something a little bit peppier, these are two great options for you. First, again, Prospect Gold Street Glide Special 131. Got a 2-in-1 Bassani exhaust on it. And here we have our Vivid Black brand new 2023 Street Glide ST. A lot of the features on these bikes are going to be identical. They both have the new RDRS system on it, which that is the Reflexive Defensive Rider system. It is a much advanced traction control ABS system with rain mode. Keep you safer going down the road. The bike knows when it's leaning, so it adjusts your braking and your acceleration properly. Beautiful color on this bike. This is definitely one of my favorite 23 colors, this Prospect Gold. Everybody says, is that mustard or is that, you know, baby stuff baby stuff yellow? But no, you get on top of it and it's got a beautiful metal flake to it. Beautiful gold color. So with the 131 kit, you're, you know, the peak performance from Harley that you can get. Now this bike did not come from the factory this way. We had to add the 131 kit. Also some styling differences with the Screaming Eagle air cleaner. We did the blacked out tappet and push rod covers there. Bike does come with tire pressure monitors front and rear, full GPS, just like any other Street Glide Special. The differences, let's look at the back of this one. You can see it's got the stretch bags on it. And as we move around to the back of the ST, what you'll see are standard bags, a little bit taller. Also, the taillight section's a little bit different. Bronze accents on the wheels. You got a few bronze accents on the motor. 117 on the air cleaner as well. Bronze wheels. This one also does have the tire pressure monitors on it. Full GPS in the dash. No differences in the radio or the headlight. They both have the Daymaker LED. This bike does have a taller rear shock on it. So the rear end does sit up higher, but with this lower profile seat, your reach is about the same, honestly. You might notice a little bit better travel in that rear suspension, a little bit softer ride. One thing that is missing on this bike, as you can see, the solo seat, no passenger pegs as well. So if you want to do a 2-up ST, you're gonna have to change out your seat and you're gonna have to add those passenger pegs to it. Guys, y'all have any questions, hit us up below. Please like and subscribe as we build Green HD TV back to where it needs to be. If y'all have any questions, as always, y'all can give us a call here at the shop. Number is 830-624-2473. We are located at 1288 Loop 337 in New Braunfels, Texas. Come by and see us. If you guys have any questions on any events we have, check out the calendar at greenharley.com and check out the link below. Y'all take care, ride safe, and we'll see y'all next time.